Hello and welcome. This is an overview of the artificial intelligence information technology company called OnPassive. We're glad you're here. What if there was a way to finally achieve time and money freedom? What if you could share the profits of a breakthrough company, an AI high-tech company like Facebook, Google, or Zoom? The solution, OnPassive. OnPassive will generate ongoing passive income for you and your family for life. As Ash Mufareh, our CEO, said, we are starting much stronger than other companies like Google. Our staff has come from companies like JP Morgan, Apple, Wells Fargo, Google, Twitter, etc. Like Google at its beginning, OnPassive is a movement, and we too will become a global leader. In this way, we'll be way above the crowd. Unicorn status. It's a privately held tech startup company that reaches a value of over $1 billion. And the companies that have done that, Netflix took 10 years. Apple took 8. Facebook, 6 years to achieve unicorn status. Microsoft took 5. Google took 5. Well, are you ready for this? OnPassive is expected to reach unicorn status in less than 1 year. It's absolutely amazing. OnPassive key facts. We are an AI IT company. We are a global community of over 410,000 like-minded people. And what that means is that over 400,000 people have decided to be a founder. They believe in the vision, and they will all reap the benefits as OnPassive grows. They will all share in the profits. We have visionary leadership like I have never seen. Ash Mufareh, I explain him to be brilliant like Mark Zuckerberg, but the heart of Gandhi. He saw a vision. He could have easily gotten together with 4 or 5 other people and raised the money and had a board of directors and kept all the money for himself. But he wanted a different way. So realistically, he's crowdfunded $41 million at $97 at a time. He cares about humanity. He cares about the high rate of poverty around the world. So with his vision and his expertise, he has a degree at MIT, and he also took the online section course at Harvard. He saw there has to be a better way. The world is changing. We have to care about everyone and not just individual people. So it's really wonderful to be a part of this vision. He's just an incredible man. OnPassive created automated passive income online for anyone in the world. 100% lifetime, no questions asked, money back guarantee of the $97. You have nothing to lose. The ability to pass your business on to future generations. As a founder, you will make passive income, and you can pass that on to future generations. We are licensed to operate in over 190 countries around the world. And right now, we have founders from all over the world. It's really, really exciting. OnPassive is built on 4 pillars. The acronym is CATMO. The C stands for Complete Digital Solution, which is everything a business needs, all in one suite, one sign-in, and one ridiculously low price. The A stands for Automated Artificial Intelligence. So if you have a business and you have a website, and if you don't, we'll help you get that, and basically sending traffic geared towards your business. If it's local, it will be local traffic, and if it's global, it will be global traffic sent to your website every single day, just part of the package. The T stands for targeted traffic, and that's what it will send. It will send targeted traffic to your service or business or charity. The MO stands for money for everyone, and that is absolutely wonderful that he's willing to share in the profits. OnPassive product facts. We're proprietary technology software using AI at its core. This is brand new technology. Each product is its own entity and its own business. We are not using recycled tech, and our technology is 5 years ahead of anything that you see today. We offer a total online business and personal solution, one simple interface to access all products. All of the products are cutting edge and will disrupt the current marketplace. And there are going to be people today and in the future that don't like this because it may disrupt their income. But I think with a better product, a better situation where people are happy and they're loving the products and we're actually giving incomes to over 500,000 people in the world, I don't mind if we ruffle feathers. All of the products have dedicated and skilled teams assigned to them. And as I said, they're all dedicated individual businesses within OnPassive. One-time out-of-pocket founder position cost, totally automated done-for-you system, ability to drive targeted, highly targeted buyer traffic to promote any business, and the tools to help people improve their lifestyle, family, friends, charities, foundations, etc. The OnPassive ecosystem. We have over 50 products, and we'll be launching 12 at a time, and it is just amazing. Everything that you would need, from funnels to mass bulk mailers, screen captures, chatting, marketplace, social media, SEO, crowdfunding, advertising, website, you name it, we will have it for you. The superior OnPassive products. We all know email. Well, ours will be called OMail, and you are going to love it. The screen capture software. Right now I'm using Screencast-O-Matic to make this video, and our product will be called OCapture, which will be much better. Crowdfunding platforms. We all know Just Giving, Kickstarter, to raise money for causes. Well, they take a percentage, and ours will be called OBless, but a much lower percentage so that we can give more to the charities. The webinar platforms. Zoom, Webinar Jam. We all know Zoom. Our product will be called OConnect, and I'll explain further in more detail. Virtual classrooms. Everyone's learning online. We know those products. We've seen them. It's hot right now. It's in trend. Our product is called O Academy, and I'll explain further on more details. Social media. Let's say that you have a business. You need to advertise on 4 or 5 different places right now, and you need to gear your advertising to each platform. Our product will be called ONet, and you are going to love it. The next products, marketing platforms, sales funnels, emails. Our product is done. The name will be announced shortly. And domains, web hosting, and web building. Again, the product's done, just waiting for the name. Our flagship product, OConnect. It is unlike Zoom. It is one price, unlimited users and storage. Unlike Zoom, will not crash at 2,500 users. Multi-user video audio conference ability, software to serve individuals and unite workforces, and it saves time and money. The O Academy, individualized learning, support outside the classroom, global classroom option, constructive feedback on course quality, meaningful visual feedback to students. It is cutting edge, and we are so excited to actually get to use it and play with it. It's going to be fun. OnPassive offices with over 1,000 employed staff. Registered head office and administration is in Orlando, Florida, and that's where Ashmafara is. We have plans for future offices all over the world. They will be operated by our global leaders. Technical support and ID development. We have 2 offices in Hyderabad, India, and we have 1 office in Bangalore, India. And as far as offices go, we have 2 offices under 10-year leases, and 1 office has been purchased. And that's where the 1,000 employed staff is in India. We have pictures here of our office in Hyderabad. And the potential monthly cost. What is this going to cost me? It has been suggested that the monthly price will be between $100 and $250. This is for all the OnPassive products and includes unlimited licenses, users, storage, and targeted traffic. There is a very good chance, and when we say very, we're talking about probably 99.9% chance that you will only ever have to pay the first month's membership. And I'll explain that as we go on here. The actual cost will be confirmed on launch, which is expected early 2021. Founder position cost. Today, at this recording, the current price is $97, which is valid up until the start of soft launch. During the soft launch, the founder position cost will increase to $149. The founder position cost comes with a lifetime money-back guarantee of $97, so totally risk-free to you. The renewal cost will be reviewed each year and will be paid out of commissions earned during the previous year, so no additional out-of-pocket expense expected. 3 and free scenario. Pretend this is me at the top. Well, what happens is that I possibly joined as a founder for $97, and I did not want to tell anyone. I was shy, I just was busy, I was not interested, but I saw the potential. So I said, well, I'll join as a founder and I'd love to share in the profits. I may never even use these products. It's okay. Well, what is going to happen is that it is expected that the volume of customers that OnPassive will attract through its campaigns, which they are amazing, will reduce your monthly fee to zero very quickly. There will be shared profits given to founders and commissions from customers after launch. So there is a very good chance that you will end up having 3 customers. If not through your own efforts, then through the people that came in before you that have a multitude of customers and founders, and also through company campaigns. And when that happens, your monthly fee is covered. However, we will all pay as founders, we will all pay the first month, but we are extremely confident that from then on, the monthly fee is covered. So income disclaimer. At no point in this presentation, financial advice given. You can always pause the video and read this, but I am not a financial advisor and we are not guaranteeing anything. We are simply saying, believe in the vision, $97. Do you want to be part of something that will disrupt the world in a good way? That's what we're asking. The income potential is huge. This forecast is very conservative and based on each founder acquiring 3 customers and those customers also attracting 3 customers and so on, every 60 days via the company marketing campaigns. I think that is very achievable. Using the points above, at the end of 12 months, it's forecasted that you could acquire over 1,000 customers, generating a potential 6-figure passive income. So let me explain. If the company and myself and people that got in before me, ends up I get 3 customers every 60 days. And then all those customers get another 3. Well, it actually goes 3, 9, 27, 81, 243, 729, 1,092 over a 12-month period. So it's very, very achievable. Optionally, if you choose to share the opportunity with others, you can reach a 6-figure income much quicker. And that is the choice we're giving you today. You can join as a founder and you can share and have other founders come into your business. And once we launch, we are all customers. So it's basically acquiring customers before launch. Key benefits of becoming a founder. Number 1, priority positioning within the company's payment plan. If I joined 6 months ago, I'm date stamped when I joined. And if someone joined today, they are date stamped. So if you want to be a founder, it would make sense to join as soon as possible. That's all I can say. Number 2, access to the GoFounders website and private webinars. That is where we share information that you'll sign an NDA when you become a founder to not disclose the information. But in these private webinars, we discuss products. He shows us behind the scenes. We talk about how we're going to launch. It is so exciting. I hope you're going to join us there. Number 3, ability to build a team business prior to launch. That is huge. You're basically coming into launch with a business already built. Number 4, included in the soft launch marketing campaigns. Number 5, ability to earn from day 1 of launch. Number 6, ability to beta test some products during the soft launch period. The competition. There is a lot of outdated or misinformation about OnPassive online. You need to know about this. Potentially, let's look at the facts. If there's over 400,000 founders, there's at least 2+ million people searching for OnPassive keywords every day online. So our competition are abusing our popularity to their own advantage. So please get your up-to-date information from authorities in OnPassive. Example, Leadership Council, people that are founders that know what's going on, opportunity meetings, etc., but not Google, YouTube, or blogs, etc. And as an example, my friend, I talked to her about OnPassive. She looked online, she sent me something back and said, oh, what have I done? Blah. And as you look into the link that she sent me, It was a gentleman with a few little videos on YouTube with maybe 10 or 15 views each. And he just slammed on passive, and he had no pros, and he had a whole bunch of cons. And then all over his page, please buy my product, buy my product, buy my product. So put on the right set of glasses when you're looking at these, because there are a lot of people that want the traffic that OnPassive is creating online, and they just want to use the word scam or just want to draw you into their blog or their YouTube channel so that they can sell you something or get more views on their channel. So just be aware of that. When you're a founder, you can join our regular team webinars. You can be part of our private webinar only webinars, which are amazing. So please today, lock in your founder position. It's $97, people. What have you wasted $97 on in your life? Food, shoes, clothes, something stupid that you bought online that you'll never use? This is a company that is disrupting the whole marketplace. It has a perfect vision. It cares about humanity. One thing that I did not mention before that I need to say right now is that we will never, ever sell your data. That is one reason right there to join. So please get back to the person who shared this video with you or click the button below. But please, if someone shared OnPassive with you, we are in full integrity. Please get back to that person. If you've just stumbled across this, then we'd be more than happy to help you. And have yourself an incredible, wonderful day. And we look forward to seeing you on the inside.